believe it is March and I have not invited you into the library in so long to see new books. So I'm so happy you're here today because we have some great new choices for you to check out in the library. First, I want to talk about 2 new fiction books we have. The first one is called Chronicles of a Lizard Nobody. It looks really cute and funny. The story is about monitor lizards who are in a school and they are hall monitors. So I feel like especially if you are a member of our safety patrol here at Washington Henry, you should definitely check out this funny book. Our second fiction book is the newest in the I Survived series. This is called I Survived the Black Death of 1348. That sounds really exciting, doesn't it? Okay, so anyway, if you're an I Survived fan, this is the newest in the series. I know you'll want to check that out. We've got some great graphic novels to share with you. We have a new Gingerbread Man paper airplanes on the loose. The other Gingerbread Man graphic novels that we have been really, really popular in the library, so I hope you'll check this one out. We have a new series that we are so excited to tell you about. These graphic novels, they're called The Cryptid Club. And so the first one is about Bigfoot. Book 2 in the series is about the Loch Ness Monster. Book 3 in the series is about the Chupacabra. And finally, book 4 is about a jackalope. So super cute, pretty short reads, really funny if you like those kind of like mythical stories. So the next series we have in the library is called Super Pancake. We have, I mean, how adorable is that, right? Like a superhero that's a pancake. I love it. We have book 1 and 2 in this series, and I know this is going to be like hot off the shelves as soon as we get it ready for you. This is the newest in the Katie the Cat Sitter series. I know those books have been really popular, so make sure you make time to read this one. This is so funny. Like, this is how long it's been since we ordered these books. We have 2 great new holiday books to share with you. We have Elmore the Christmas Moose, and we have How Carrot and Cookie Saved Christmas. Both adorable. I mean, a little out of season, but who cares? A good book is a good book no matter when you read it. I was just looking at this book. It is fantastic. The book is called I'm Sorry You Got Mad. Teachers, I'm definitely marketing this toward you today. The book is about a little boy who knocks over his friend's castle in the classroom and upsets his friends, and his teacher suggests that he apologizes. So the story is about what goes into a good apology. And by the end of the story, the little boy understands why he hurt his friend's feelings and has made amends. It's a very, very sweet story, very good for elementary students to hear. A lot of you are familiar with this book because you heard Miss Letourneau read it at Veterans Day, but now we have our own copy here in the library called America's White Table. This is a great story to help celebrate our veterans. So if you want to have a refresh of this book or you really liked it, please check it out. We've got another great book about feelings. This is called Invisible Things. It focuses on, your 5 senses and all the feelings that you have. The illustrations I think are adorable. So yeah. Anyway, if you want to talk about feelings in your classroom, this is a great one. If you are looking for, teachers, if you're looking for a book to help focus on past and present, this book is called Farmhouse. It's a great story. A lot of it is about how people on the farm lived back a long time ago and the kinds of the way they cooked their food and maybe the chores that they did. So this would be a great read aloud for your class as well. My gosh, friends, finally, I have a special guest on our video today. So everybody, I hope that you will get ready to welcome Officer Stewart to our books unboxing. And he brought along his favorite book. So he is showing us, he got to take this home over the snow days to check it out. It is the Eras Tour Encyclopedia. He was super excited when this came in and
flew off the shelf.
It flew off the shelf. So lots of great illustrations about Taylor's Eras Tour, and I don't know. I'm not sure Officer Stewart is going to let anyone check it out, but you probably want to get this book on hold as quickly as you can. So, Statesman, thanks for joining us in the library. Thanks for checking out all of our new books. Keep reading, and we will see you soon.
Bye.